But the people who stood up and they spoke out against this oppression, those are the people that will be remembered. Those are the people that will stand in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment, and they will say, Ya Allah, I did whatever I could do. I spoke out. You told me there were 3 signs for Iman, for belief. You said the first one was to stop it with my hands. I was incapable. I couldn't do that. The second one was that you speak out against it. And the third one was just feel that it is evil in your hearts. So alhamdulillah, at least we do the first stage and we do the second stage, and we speak out against the oppression, and we will not tolerate people, and we are not going to be on the back foot, and we're not going to be defensive. We're going to say what you're doing is genocide, it's mass murder, it's the killing and the quashing of innocent people, and it has to stop.